Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Real Life Exotics. Today part 2, A12 Superfast. So we're gonna take apart this car today and we're gonna show you what inside, what damage, you're gonna see how much it's gonna cost. So yeah, we're gonna see what's inside, what the damage. We know engine is good right now, but we're gonna see like inside, like deeper, what damage, like how bad the frame, if frame, like main frame damage or not. We're gonna see everything else when we take apart fender and side skirt and stuff, you know. And guys, and also we can offer you to find some parts. We can sell cars damage, whatever you need to, anything with the supercars, just let me know. So we can order it parts for you. We can put in package, let's say we receive the car, start the car for you, put in some suspension, order some parts, get everything together and ship it to you, or we can fix car completely here. Or if you have accident, your supercar, doesn't matter, like sport car, supercar, and you're looking who can fix it for you perfectly. We can do that, like we can do the best job we can, and we can pay for deductible. We can save money on deductible and we can pay for shipping both ways. So let me know, stay tuned, thank you guys. So guys, we're gonna start taking off the parts today. Today is like filming day pretty much, you know. So we're gonna start taking off whole side on a Ferrari. We're gonna take it off the tank and we can see if we can fix it. We can weld it because, you know, when there's oil inside, it's hard to weld it. So we might gonna change it, or I'm gonna drop off the machine shop and ask them if they can fix it, you know. So, and we can start the car. So it's automatically close the tailgate rear. Paul, he's gonna take apart the car right now. He's gonna take it off from bumper, fender, door is okay, door panel, and rear bumper, and two side skirts because we find out other side also damaged. And under gravel panels, he's gonna take it off. Don't take it off left headlight. So guys, if you have any parts on this car, let me know. If you have like maybe bumper, maybe fender, headlight, airbags, anything, and you wanna donate to Sergi, I'll take it, everything. Okay guys, so bumper is pretty messed up. So only one grill, other side and middle grill is good. And that's it. And this rubber piece. Need parking sensor cable, some parking sensors. Whole bumper pretty much we need it. Oh, an emblem. It's good. Let me see the front.
Nice.
Oh. Front looks good, pretty much everything looks factory. Давай заново. Front looks good pretty much. Everything looks good, no damage. Yeah, I like it. I like it, yeah, it's good. Some connectors broken. Yeah, keep taking it off. Okay guys, so we take apart the Ferrari F12 Superfast, and we find something extra damaged a little bit. So we got already a fender. This fender is going to this car. It's a used fender from brand new car, brand new, never been used. The guy, he installed a Novitec and we bought it from him. And also we got the bumper, rear bumper. So this fender is like in perfect condition. You know what guys, it's better used parts, sometimes better than new. When you bought, like let's say when you bought it the fender from the dealer, and you can see scratches, so you have to finish it, you have to use primer. But when you got used parts, and it's like perfect, you know, no damage, no nothing, like it's painted and you just resand it and repaint it on the same color. Same with bumper, careful. So this bumper also from Superfast 2019. This is 2020, no, this is 2018 actually. So let me put it in a little bit bumper. Let me install it. 1 second. Okay, let me install the bumper. So in the back, like pretty much just rear bumper and like a little bit frame pieces, like barely, nothing bad. What is this?
Big.
Nothing.
Big.
Did you hear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice. I'm a friend. Get them. Get the cow meat that I can't eat that.
All right. Looks better, right?
Yeah. It's a kind of.
All right. So guys, if anybody has front bumper for F12 Superfast, we're looking for front bumper, please you can DM me on my Instagram. It's real.life.exotics or Vision Exotics. I have a 2 Instagram. Let me know, we can buy it from you. And also we need some suspension if you have, and we need the airbags for this car. If you have anything for Superfast, let me know. DM me. Guys, third part, we're gonna drop off the car to frame shop. I think it's gonna be 3 bro guys. They have also YouTube, you can follow. So looks like they're gonna fix the car. We're gonna drop off to their shop. They're doing pretty fast because Yuri, he's pretty busy. I try to reach him, he's busy. And I ordered it parts already. I already received headlight. I already received side skirt. You can see we have front end. We have a rear bumper and fender. So I'm looking for, like I said, front bumper, and I already ordered the cage. And oh, and also we need a windshield. It's pretty bad. Obviously it's smashed. So hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and share the video if you like it, and we're gonna post more videos for you. Thank you, stay tuned. Boom.